What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mateo. I used to travel in this 1999 Chevy Astro, but I'm currently traveling in this 2001 Ford E250 that I'm converting myself, and I am not done with the conversion yet. I was hoping to be, but a few things that I ordered that are very important to the build are still delayed. So hopefully they'll come in. They were supposed to come in Friday. It's Sunday now. So hopefully they'll be here tomorrow and I can finish this up and get the van tour out to you guys. But you've waited so long, so I'm going to show you guys a little of what we got going so far. By the way, if you can see my eye, yeah, I'm okay. It's just been a rough week. But let's check the van out real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I've been attempting to paint the walls white. So I ordered a few coats of white paint. I'm not sure if it's something that I did, but I got one coat of white paint and then brown paint for the rest. That I may have just done something wrong while ordering. But I really need to wait for the paint because one coat, as you can see, is just not gonna cut it. I mean, it looks pretty decent for the parts that are actually painted in well, but I obviously need more coats. So I've got to wait for that. I also have been setting up a power situation. So in my van, I've never actually had a way to power my things adequately. So I've often had to like stop at Starbucks and all that. But I recently installed a Bluetti Charger 1. So for this, I had to feed the wires through the firewall into the battery and all that. Right now, I'm just waiting on my fuse holder and my fuse to attach to the positive end, so I can make sure me and Lars are safe in here while we're using it. No fires happen or anything. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting on right now. That should hopefully also be here tomorrow, so we can finish those two things up, paint, and put everything together so this van looks amazing and give you guys a tour. So if you're reading the title, it probably says something dramatic like this has really changed my life or something like that. And I want to tell you right now, I am not exaggerating at all. I recently built a desk and it might not look like much, but it is sturdy. It is very sturdy. I'm very proud of myself for building this. And I kid you not, it has changed my life tenfold. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I also have a rolling chair. So yeah, having this desk has made me, I've gotten better sleep. I've gotten out of bed earlier every day since having this desk. My creativity has like jumped. I think it's because I didn't realize, but like in this van, on the road, the entire year we were on the road, 2024, every morning I'd wake up in this bed, I'd sit in the bed, I'd eat breakfast sitting in the bed, I'd play with Lars sitting in the bed, I'd play guitar sitting in the bed. Like, I would sit in the bed all day. If I'm in the van all day, I'm sitting in that bed all day. And I remember as like a teen when I would wake up in the mornings and I would like have my pajamas on and I would just like keep them on all day, I would realize that like I'd feel lazier. So at some point I started making a thing for myself to where whenever I would wake up, I'd change into like going out clothes, like as if I were going to the store or something like that, whether I was going somewhere or not. And it would always make me feel more productive. And I think being in my bed all day kept me in like a perpetual state of like laziness, I guess I'd say. Not that I felt lazy. I feel like I got a lot done, but like having this desk, I've enrolled in classes. I've been playing with Lars a lot more. I've been starting piano lessons. It's been like 5 days that I've had this desk. I've done so much in it already while trying to get this van fixed up. So yeah, this is gonna be a complete game changer. I 100% believe that. But one thing I have not done at this table yet is eat a meal. So it's Easter Sunday. This is going to be a quick video for you guys. I was hoping to get the Vantor out, unable to. Hopefully my stuff will be here tomorrow and I can get that all done. But I figured today I can do something special and make my first meal and eat it, enjoy it at this table with you guys. So I'm going to make some breakfast. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy joining me for breakfast. So let's get started. The van's really coming together, and it feels awesome, to be honest. Definitely the roof is a bit splotchy right now, but once I put the next coat and a third coat up there, I really think it's going to be beautiful. But yeah, this is my first meal at my desk, which has been, like, this is my new favorite part about the van. Before, it was probably the fact that I put that roof vent in. I still love the roof vent, but this desk is a game changer. Like, it's a game changer's game changer. But yeah, cheers. Messy breakfast sandwich. I'm kind of at a slant, so like the chair wants to roll this way. So I've been off the road full time. I've been not doing full time van life since February. And in that time, we've been building the van out. We went to Japan. It's been such a wild ride, but I am honestly ready to get back on the road full time. I guess my stuff being delayed has been an inconvenience, but to be honest, it's given me more time to hang out with my family, me and Lars. It's given Lars more time to actually be in his own space, bigger space of a house, being able to like jump around, look out the window, all that. So he's honestly been having a good time here too. But I can tell he's ready to, see some new stuff too. So we are both ready to hit the road. I think it's about that time. So hopefully our stuff gets here tomorrow, and we can finish this van build, get the van tour out, and hopefully by the time you guys see the next video, we'll be back on the road full time. Well, yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today. Not really much I can do while I'm still waiting on my stuff to get here, but hopefully next few days, I will be able to finish this van build up and film my van tour, which I've been excited to do. It's been way, way, way overdue. And hopefully you guys enjoy that. But yeah, that's really all I got for you. I'm going to finish up my breakfast and then spend the rest of my Easter Sunday with my family. So hopefully you guys are having a great Sunday wherever in the world you are. Yeah, let me know what you guys are cooking today. But that's really all I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace.